Today we'll talk about how can you enable shortcuts on your Meho app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on profile down here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on additional settings. You just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just click here on shortcuts card here. Just click on it. And you come to shortcuts. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color refer as a main shortcut card. It's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.